Did you know that based on our customer feedback, industrial ice cream producers filling manually can lose between 5 to 10% per container due to overfilling? That's perfectly good, saleable product going straight to waste. If that sounds familiar and you're looking to reduce waste, increase profitability and upgrade your factory with the latest technology, then stay tuned. This video is for you. Introducing the newly released nThat robotic ice cream filling machine from ROKK. Powered by advanced robotic technology, the nThat delivers consistent, premium artisan-style products every single time. No guesswork, no overfill, just precision, efficiency, and performance you can rely on. Manual filling depends heavily on operator judgment. Even the most experienced operators will see slight variations from one container to the next. Over the course of a production shift, those small inconsistencies quickly add up to significant product and profit loss. For example, with just a 5% overfill, a medium-sized ice cream producer filling 600 litres per hour would lose 30 litres of ice cream. That's the equivalent of 6 5-litre Napoli containers. Perfectly saleable product, gone. That directly impacts both margin and operational efficiency. The nThat removes the variability, delivering precise, consistent fills every time. So how does it achieve that? The nThat is purpose-built to automate the manual filling process directly from a continuous freezer. It replaces traditional hand filling with precision-controlled robotic movement, delivering accurate dosing and consistent decorative patterns and presentation in every single container. At its core is a 6-axis ABB robotic arm, engineered to replicate the natural movement of a skilled operator's hand. This allows for controlled ripples, layered effects, decorative swirls, premium surface finishes. You keep the artisan appearance your customers expect, but with industrial level repeatability and control. It is also specifically designed to work safely alongside people in a shared workspace through advanced robotic technology called the cobot. The system operates using collaborative robotic technology commonly known as a cobot. In a separate video, we'll explore exactly what that means and how it benefits your production environment. In short, the system is equipped with an advanced force sensing and collision detection, meaning it automatically stops if contact is detected, enabling safe operation alongside personnel. Now you might be wondering, what about container sizes? The nThat handles container sizes typically ranging from 500 ml up to 12 litres, making it perfect for both retail and food service production. The machine is available in 2 product configurations. Option 1, collaborative mode. Operating safely alongside personnel without safety guarding, the machine can handle capacities of up to 1,500 litres per hour of ice cream. Or alternatively, non-collaborative mode, as seen here, which comes fully guarded, increasing throughput of up to 3,000 litres per hour. For even greater automation, the system can be fitted with an automatic in-feed conveyor, which runs along here. This includes options such as container dispensing, lid placement, and also an integrated station for top decoration such as ripple or dry inclusions. The machine is designed to flex around your operation so you can automate at the pace that suits you. The machine is operated via a Siemens HMI interface, available in multiple languages for global operation, and allows for up to 99 programmable pattern profiles to be saved. That means consistent product changeovers, repeatable presentation, and full product control. It is also constructed entirely from stainless steel with certified food-safe materials, which fully complies with food production standards. The ABB robotic arm is IP67 rated, built for washdown environments. Despite its capability, the system operates on a single-phase power and consumes just 2.2 kilowatts, making installation practical and energy efficient. The nThat robotic ice cream filling machine is designed to reduce waste, protect margin, and bring consistency to artisan-style production. If you're considering reducing manual variability in your operation, speak to us and follow along as we break this down further. In our upcoming videos, we'll be answering the key questions producers ask. Are the programs customizable? To what level can this machine be cleaned? Which configuration is right for my production volume? Is the electrical consumption really only 2.2 kilowatt? And do you offer commissioning and service? To learn more, visit our website or get in touch with our team at sales@rokkprocessing.com.